Hey y'all, I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, lightly dried with a t-shirt. Next up, my favorite Aussie conditioners.
I'm going in with some Jamaican black castor oil, and what had happened was it comes in this glass container and it doesn't have a spout, and so whenever I finish this oil right here, I just threw it in.
After going in with all three, I'm going to start to detangle. After all 4 sections are detangled, I'm going to unclip the back half of my hair to begin styling. Take a rat tail comb and split this section in half. You already know what time it is. Now I'm going in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. After detangling, split that section in half. Then split that section in half. After detangling, place some foam on that section. Split a very small section at the top of that square. Now, split that section into 2 and twirl them so you can gain a better grip. Take one piece of hair and cross it over the other. Use one hand to hold the hair at the base. With the other hand, take a finger and slowly part up underneath the open piece of hair. After grasping the hair, cross over and hold the base. With the free hand, part a small section of hair, grasp, and then cross over and hold the base. Repeat these steps until you get to the nape of your neck. When you get to the nape of your neck, detangle the leftover hair and begin to twist tightly until you get to the end. If there comes a time where you start to run out of hair, do not go to the other side and split the section because you will break your hair off. Instead, take a little bit of mousse on the end and begin to twirl your finger around. This simple step keeps our ends healthy and secures the twist. Repeat these steps until the whole section is complete. section is complete, I'm going to take 2 twists and roll them up with the perm rod. The back should look like this when completed. Because I'm doing 3-layer twists, I'm going to section off the very top of my head in a U shape. Sis, why are you struggling to part this doggone U part in your hair? You know, I used to separate the mess out of my hair when I was parting leave out for my tracks and wigs. I don't know what in the world. Look at me. Look at that. Girl, get it together, girl. Get it together. Come on. Almost, there we go. Now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna section the leftover hair into 4s. This will make parting your section so much easier because you'll have an even number of twists in each section. Girl, look at you parting like a pro. Look at that. You already know what to do, boo. We gonna part, split, twist, and grab. Part, split, twist, and grab. Hey, part, twist. See, that's what I get for trying to make up a little song. Always cutting up. We're going to follow the steps all throughout the rest of our hair, and we're going to take all of the twists in each section and roll them with that 1 perm rod. If you got little stubborn ends like mine, just take some mousse or some cream, wrap it around, and they'll stick like a glove. Baby, we finally made it to the top. We on our very last twist. You should be proud of yourself if you made it this far because, honey, I know my hair can be a hassle because it is very thick, but I just know when I take this out in a couple of days, honey, you can't tell me nothing because I'm finna be cute, okay? Cute. I mean, having natural hair isn't the worst thing in the world, especially having thick natural hair, because girl, you get you an arm workout in the middle of doing your hair. Like, what? We all need to stay in shape, so I mean, you know, I don't complain too much. It just saved me, you know, one less arm workout when I'm getting my little fitness on. Now that my hair is complete, I'm going to grease my scalp with my Softy Mango Growth Treatment. Let's take out these perm rods and then spray the leave-in conditioner spray over each twist. Separate each curl with a little bit of oil. Untwist the hair in the opposite direction. When you reach the top, make sure to only separate where the hair naturally wants to separate. Ooh, girl. Look at you. Look at that girl. Okay.
shoot, and we not even done yet.
Y'all, I'ma swoop my edges with the Style Factor Edge Booster in Sugar Melon. It smells so good. Now what I'm gonna say is grab whatever you can find. I got some setting spray and I sprayed my edge brush before I started my swoops. Honey, you can do your edges however you want, but I'm going in with a little swoop action today. And I know somebody's gonna ask, why did I wet my brush with setting spray? Well, because one, I have on makeup, and for two, it just kind of, helps everything stay in place. If I don't use setting spray, I'll use mousse. Honestly, whatever I can find, because we gonna get these edges slayed, okay? After I'm done, I'm going to take some setting spray, spray my edges, and wipe off any makeup that may have spilled over in the process. Up next, we got the Shake and Shape. Boom! As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I love you. Let's continue to glow and grow together. Reflect on me, connect with me.